Hi all, welcome to the session. In this session, we'll be covering how to create basic CDS view in ABAP HANA. I log into the system. Please remember, you can create CDS view in Eclipse. So if you want to create CDS view, you have to log into ABAP in Eclipse. Even you can do in HANA Studio. I am in HANA Studio. In HANA Studio, I have to go to the perspective, ABAP perspective. In ABAP perspective only, I can create CDS view. I'll show you step by step how to create a simple basic CDS view with one table. Open my project and I'll go to the temp folder. I'm not going to save the CDS view in any package. So I go to temp folder. Here we have core data services, that is CDS. Right click, new data definition. Here I'll be selecting CDS view, the core data definition, give the name of it. Give the name and description, click on next. I'm not giving any transport because I have selected the local object. Here it gives you different options, like in the sense there are different options are there, and each option you create select, the templates will be automatically shown to you. So you have to write very less. The generic structure, the template gets loaded based on what type of CDS view you are going to select. I'm just going to select the simple view. I'll get define view. Click on finish. You can see the template will be loaded. We need to change this template. First thing we need to change is the SQL view name. Whenever you create a CDS view, the corresponding SQL view gets created in ABAP. We have to give a name of it. I can give, say, Z CDS SQL. These at the rate, whatever is starting with at the rate, this is called annotation. Annotation enriches the CDS view, just like the additions, value adds. It's more powerful. For time being, just remember what is with at the rate is annotations. So it gives or it enriches the CDS view. Like here you can see compare filter true. So it this feature is enabled, key is enabled, and end user text label, the description of the CDS view, that is called end user text label. What will be the description? And you can see my first basis the CDS view. So all these annotation have its own significance. We can also have so many annotation will be used in CDS view. To make it very simple and basic, we'll be starting with simple CDS view with one table. My view is this. Then I have to select data from, I have to give a table name. Let me give a table name. Scale the table, and let me take few field inside it. Node key, sales order ID, I have picked up 3 columns from the table for the CDS view. I'm using this table. I'm trying to keep a case statement on billing status. When it is P, then we have to show paid. When it is blank, let's show not paid. How I'll write for case statement? Case, take the field name. When is P, then show the value paid. When it is blank, then not paid. Else, see this case, when conditions, then end as. Okay, you have to put end as. So basically, the column name will be payment status and it will be showed paid or not paid based on what value is available in billing status. If in billing status is P, paid, nothing, it's a blank, then not paid. So what we need to understand here, how we are creating a CDS view. A CDS view is defined view. I select from the table and the columns we are interested. We will show it up in case we want few conditions based on to show something based on some other values, then you can go for this condition. Case statement, case, end as, case, like the indicator value, indicator value. So I'm done with the CDS view. I'll save it. I can check for syntax. Then I can click on activate. Getting activated. Now it's activated. If you want to see what data is there, you can see it here. To see the data, you right click and open with data preview. So you can see the data of this CDS view, the result. It's paid or not paid, it is coming. Now I am done with the CDS view and I've activated. If you want to see the corresponding SQL view is created or not, you can go to SAP. Even you can call the GUI here itself to check rather than going to log into SAP GUI here itself, because you have already logged in. You can directly check the SQL view. You'll find that SQL view will be created. See the fields that we have given. Based on those fields, the SQL view has been created. So that's all on the process how to create a CDS view. I came to, just to summarize, I came to Eclipse and ABAP perspective. It's Studio, then I went to ABAP perspective, going to core data services, right click new, created a core data service. The SQL view name, I gave a SQL view name. And in the table, I gave the table I'm interested to fetch data from. The column names I want to fetch. And I used a case statement. It might be new for you. In ABAP, we do not write case statement in OpenSQL, but in CDS view, we can write case statement. And when you have a case, you have to write end as. You can case on a field, and we have when conditions, when, then, when, then. So this is the syntax you need to remember for case statement, end as, and each case statement will have when, and each when will have then. Case, end as, when, value, what will be the result that will be shown. In the next session, We'll see how to consume the CDS view in a program and how to use the feature ALV ITA, integrated data access, to easily show the CDS view in a program. The number of lines of code that we'll be doing in the report program using the CDS will be very less. We'll learn that in the next session. Thank you.